I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring in affordable hair, makeup on a budget. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's jump right into this video. Now, the unit on my head was sent to me by Wigtypes.com. Again, thank you Wigtypes.com for sending me this unit. Let's get right into this unit. The wig on my head is by Outre. It is their perfect hairline wig. It's their 13x6 full hand tied lace wig. I have her in the style Katya and I have her in the color DR2/GingerBrown. Stock card looks like this. Really like how the girl on the stock card is styled. There's a bunch of different ways you can style her. Yeah, and they have a whole slew of colors, girl. Like, let's get into it. Construction of the wig. There are combs in the front, 2 combs at each temple area, a comb in the back, an adjustable strap, and a wig band. This wig is constructed just like how you would purchase a human hair unit with a 13x6 lace frontal. Let me repeat that. If you buy a 13x6 lace frontal wig, this wig is constructed the exact same way. Will I say this wig is big head friendly? Yes, it is super big head friendly because you can adjust your strap to the tightest, loose it up even more. I have a medium sized head and this wig fits perfectly fine. I do have a wig grip on and my stocking cap, but she lays pretty flat, pretty nice, pretty smooth. Did not use the combs and I don't tack this wig down. The only thing I did that I normally do not do is the struggle baby hairs that I don't be normally messing with baby hairs, but I tried today. So you don't be coming over here and don't roast me in the comment section. I tried today. I tried, girl. I tried. But yeah, I love this unit. You guys know I love Outre. I am an Outre, Sensational, and Janet fan. Those are normally my go-to section. Like, I love all wigs, but normally like I buy from I love I don't know, something about Outre and Janet and Sensational. Like, I love their wigs. Like, the other day I tried a Harlem 125 wig and I forgot how nice they were because I'm the type of person who I get stuck. If I like something and it worked the first time and I try it again and it worked that time, I'm kind of like creature of habit. I just be stuck in, I need to stop being that person and kind of branch off. But anyways, Outre, girl, Outre did it with this one. It is so nice. So with a 13x6 closure, lace frontal I should say, you are able to part it center part, side part, whatever, and you have that frontal space that you can tack her down using your wig glue, your Got2b spray, whatever you want to. Lay your baby ears, make their hair look seamlessly. She's pre-plucked. It looks good. It looks seamlessly. You can put some corners in the middle and style like how they have it on the stock card and stuff like that. I try to do a center part. My part did not come out fully straight because it just didn't. I did use my hot comb to her. She does take heat pretty well. I'm not gonna lie, she does take heat pretty well to kind of like flatten it out a bit, but it was already pretty flat, not gonna lie to you. My hair underneath is in 2 big braids, so it's a bit bulky, but it don't look that bad in my opinion. That's just my opinion. So if you guys feel like it looks janky, mind your business. Yeah, I don't got much bad to say about her. Now, the length of this wig is about 22-24 inches. I am 5'3", and it does hit me right by my waist sitting down, so I would say it's about 22-24 inches. yeah, with this unit, though I say it mimics human hair, because I'm telling you, this wig mimics human hair seamlessly, it ain't human hair. So that means you will be getting tangling and shedding. That's a given, especially with synthetic units, and they're longer. I didn't receive much tangling and I didn't receive much shedding, but it will happen, and I do expect that because it's synthetic unit. It is beautiful. I love the color. There's nothing bad that I don't like about, like, I love this unit. Did I say I love this unit? I love this unit. It is just, I don't know, it has that yucky texture, but it's like full. I don't know, like these synthetic units are like, compared to what they used to be, they are so good, man. I can't stop looking at it. I love it. Again, you can lay her down, you can use your wig glue, whatever you want to use to make her look more natural, better than what I am doing, but I love her. Let me show you what all the hair looks like in a full 360. Yeah, so this is what all the hair to the front looks like. This is all the hair to the front. Let me show you what she looks like from the left side. Let me show you what she looks like from the right side. And this is what all the hair in the back look like. I don't know if you saw that or not. I try my best, guys. But again, yeah, I love her. Like, I feel like I don't know, I can't stop smiling because that's how much I like her. I will be leaving a link down in the description box for Wigtypes website where you can purchase this unit. Again, I said they have this in a couple different color. Like the girl that's wearing this over here, that is, I think this is probably the color that I'm wearing. Maybe it's because of the lighting where it's not showing up, but this blonde over here looks really cute, girl. That blonde looks really good. Can you imagine wearing this in a number 2 or a 1B? Because that is the go-to wig color. Like, come on, man. Like, this color is it's everything. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Again, I will leave everything down in the description box where you can purchase this unit from if you were interested in her. I don't know why you would not be, girl, because you can save yourself some coins that you don't got to be spending on synthetic unit lace front units, because you know, units like these can run you for like over 300 bucks. I'm just saying, and this one is nowhere near that price. Again, don't forget to check out my other videos. I will also have them linked down in the description box, along with my social medias. I have my Instagram listed. It's Tashina_Beauty. I know you guys can't remember that, so I have it down in the description box, along with my Facebook page. Though I'm like trying to get more active on Facebook, it's also linked down in the description box down below. Leave me a comment down in the comment section if you guys like this unit, if you're going to purchase this unit. If you already purchased this unit, let me know your thoughts on this unit. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share with your friends and family. Share with anybody you want to share it with, girl. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you made it to the end of this video. And until next time, this is your girl Tashina Beauty. Thank you for rocking with me, and I'll check you. What am I doing, man? And I'll catch you in the next one. Dang.